WADZ with the WADZ Up channel. Today we're at the BC Overlanding Rally in Whistler, British Columbia. We're walking around checking out people's rigs, so let's go talk to some people. So guys, we're with Justin here with 230, and he's got this great solution that he was telling me about for storing all of his food and handling his food. Well, maybe you can just tell the viewers what this is all about.
Okay, so this is a Nuthouse Industries. They manufactured this. They've done a fantastic job. I struggled with an aluminum tray a couple of times. I had one made, it worked, it was functional, but it wouldn't hold the weight. So what I did was went to Nuthouse. They made a full expedition slide, and I'll show you how it works. It has a locking mechanism, so that's locked, it's not moving anywhere. One finger, and that rolls out all the way. So we've got our low mount fridge. It has a 30-gallon water tank. It has a lithium-ion battery. The part that I really like about this is the actual kitchen part. That folds out. There's our part of the stove. There's our cooking board. Depending on the ground height, you could either sit and eat at that, or that is your prep surface. I run the gas bottle up on the back of the truck. This is, as I said, extremely for an F150 short bed. This makes it function really, really nice, and it works well.
Do they make them for 6-foot bed and long beds as well?
I think they're custom built, so you can make them for just about anything.
That's
you just
great.
need to reach out to Nuthouse and go, hey guys, this is what I've got, here's what I want to do, and they'll put the rest together for you.
Brilliant. What's in here?
That's my dry food storage.
Okay, and this is your
Water tank.
how many liters?
It's 30 gallons.
Great. And secondary battery setup?
Yep, so that's a lithium battery. That'll run the fridge for close on 3 days. And I've
Wow.
just hooked up to our Blue Sea dual battery, and I use an Anderson plug so I can unplug this, unbolt the 4 bolts, pick up the whole unit, I take it out, I turn it back to the truck.
Does your truck, when you're on the road, charge this battery?
Mm-hmm.
That's great.
So under the hood is a custom built bracketry for a Blue Sea 400 amp dual battery controller.
Right.
Yep, so it's automatic, it senses, it's a voltage sensitive relay. It picks up, main batteries come up to 13.2. You'll actually hear it go click, and then it starts charging this one.
Can I have a look at under the hood? Would you mind showing me that? I'd
Sure.
love to see how that all
Sure.
fits and tucks away.
So over here is the brains to the Blue Sea ML ACR unit. I run a relay block on it. This actually has a switch that I can switch from 1 battery to 2 battery or automatic.
Right.
And you'll actually hear it. That's me manually doing it, forcing it in or out.
Yeah.
But that will automatically pop in and out as this battery changes voltage. When this comes up to 13.2, you'll hear that click, start to charge the back battery.
Have to do any modifications to make that fit in that area?
I actually hand fab the bracket. So
Right.
it's a 1/4 inch thick aluminum plate, hand fab the bracket. Likewise with the power, when it comes to power, you've got to be super, super careful. Make sure you fuse everything, especially when you've got big fat cables like this running through. So everything that goes to the back of the vehicle is all fused.
Wonderful. Really nice setup. What's the Blue Sea ML Arc going to cost us?
I think it was like 320 from memory. It's been in for a while now. It's about 320 bucks.
Right. That doesn't
Yep.
include. And then you buy the battery.
Then you buy your battery and your cable and bits and pieces. There's some, for me, there was custom work because, as you know, Ford F150s, they don't normally do this.
Yeah.
There's nowhere under here to put a second battery.
Right.
So I had to have another solution. 2 choices: a small motorcycle style battery,
Yeah.
or take it down the back.
Right.
So
And
I
that
just-
runs your Dometic cooler for 3 days.
Mhm.
How many liters is that?
60 quart.
Really?
60
Dometic
quart.
60.
It's a 60 quart ARB.
Oh,
Yep.
nice. Right. Great setup. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers.